Every steel door starts with the careful selection of high-quality steel sheets. Manufacturers choose the right thickness and grade, ensuring the door will be strong, durable, and resistant to corrosion. Next, the steel sheets are precisely cut into panels using advanced machinery. These panels are then shaped and bent to form the door's frame and surface, ensuring accurate dimensions and a perfect fit for installation. Once formed, skilled technicians weld the panels together, joining the edges and reinforcing the structure. Internal supports and hardware mounting points are added, guaranteeing stability and long-term performance. After assembly, the door is thoroughly cleaned and treated to prevent rust. It's then coated with a protective finish, often powder coating or paint, for both durability and a professional appearance. Finally, each door undergoes rigorous inspections. Technicians check for strength, alignment, and surface finish, making sure every product meets strict industry standards before shipping.